This delicious chicken burger is perfect and topped with everything that you need in a burger. Burger lovers, get ready for a spicy and juicy burger.
Did you think you would eat without me?
No, maybe.
Another burger? What is special about this one?
First of all, it has a juicy patty.
Delicious.
I know. And it is not deep fried, meaning it is a healthy choice.
That is delicious.
Finally, the juicy and spicy chicken patty topped with cheese and yummy sauce is a great combination. What? You were eating without me?
I've never eaten such a juicy burger.
This is a worth trying burger for all burger lovers. So let's chatpat into it. Chopped onion 1 small, slices of 1 tomato, grated ginger 1 teaspoon, grated garlic 1 teaspoon, green chilies chopped, boneless chicken 500 gram, iceberg lettuce 1 cup, chili flakes 1 teaspoon, oyster sauce 2 teaspoon, mustard paste 2 teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon, black pepper half teaspoon, white pepper half teaspoon. Mince the chicken in the chopper. We will not add raw onion. Instead, we will saute onion in 1 teaspoon oil for 2 minutes and add it in the chopper. Add garlic, ginger, and green chili. We will chop it quickly. Then add salt, black pepper, chili flakes, mustard paste, oyster sauce, white pepper, and make fine paste of all these ingredients like this. An easy way to make the patties is using 2 saucers and butter paper, then placing our patty mixture in it. Slightly press it and our patty is done. That is really easy. Heat the pan, add the oil, and shallow fry our patties for 5 to 6 minutes. You can also freeze them for later use. Whenever you want, take them out of the freezer, give them a quick fry and enjoy. Let's add a slice of cheese on top because I really don't like cheese when we are putting it while assembling the burger, and this melts the cheese a bit, so it tastes way better. Iceberg lettuce 1 cup, mayonnaise 3 tablespoons, mustard paste 1 tablespoon, chili sauce 1 tablespoon, and black pepper 1/4 teaspoon. For making sauce, mix all the ingredients and our sauce is ready. Here we go. Let's add some red chili, mustard paste, in you go. Give a bit of black pepper and mix it. I think instead of adding lettuce while assembling, let's just add it in the sauce right now. It's a better idea and it gives a nice taste to the lettuce. Well, I think our sauce is ready and that is pretty easy. Now we will toast the bun, heat the pan, add butter and toast the buns until they turn a light golden brown. Now for the assembling part. Apply some ketchup on one side of the bun. It is your choice how you want to assemble it and get creative with it. Now add a patty. Tomatoes. I'll take them out while eating them. I'm just doing this to give a color to the burger. Now I'll add some sauce with the lettuce on top. Let's add a lot of it. Here you go. Apply some ketchup on the other half of the bun, and there you go. A delicious, mouth-watering burger is ready. This delicious chicken burger is perfect and topped with everything that you need in a burger. I'm sure that you will love this easy and finger-licking juicy burger recipe.